Screencast-O-Matic is a great way for you to create tutorials for your students. You can go over your expectations for a project, go over journal notes if they're absent one day. It's limitless on the things that you can use this software for. You can use it as a remediation or an acceleration to have that differentiation piece into your lesson plans. And it's free. So there's two ways that you can use Screencast-O-Matic. You can download it onto your desktop and then just click on the icon and use it, or you can go to the website, ScreencastOMatic.com. First thing you do is you set up your free account, and you can do that using Google, so that way you're using your teacher email and address, password. And so I already have an account. I'm going to log in. And here you'll see it says you haven't uploaded any recordings yet. So when you finish your recording, there are 3 different ways that you can upload it. One of those ways is using Screencast-O-Matic as a cloud-based system, and then you can share that link with your students. I choose not to do that because the cloud is limited on storage. So I'll show you how I store my videos at the end of this. So in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a camera. That's just to take a picture of your screen. You don't want that. You want the next icon to launch the recorder. So when you launch the recorder, this screen will pop up. Anything inside this frame is what's going to be recorded. So if you want a small portion of your screen, you can make it smaller. You can drag it as big or as small as you need it to be. The closer it is to the ratio of your screen, the better that picture is going to look for your students. Another thing, you want to make sure this green bar flashes when you talk. If it's not flashing and you hit record, when you finish, you are going to not have any audio on your video. It is very frustrating when you finish the recording and realize after the fact that you did not turn on the narration. So you can use your screen. You can record your webcam, so of you talking, demonstrating. If you've got a science lesson you're working on, you want them to see hands-on, or you can have both. You can have your screen and your webcam at the same time. I always just do the screen. It doesn't matter. And then you're going to click record. Once you hit record, it's going to do a 3-second countdown, and now it's recording. So you go through, you do your lesson, do your demonstration. When you're finished, you're going to hit this pause button. And from there, you can play it and watch it. You can rewind it. You can delete it. But if you're good, you're satisfied, then you're going to click done. Here you can edit your video. You can do a quick share, or you're going to save and upload. That's what we want to do, is save and upload. When you click on save and upload, it will give you 3 options. You can save the video on your computer. I do not do that because that takes up space on your computer. You can upload it to Screencast-O-Matic. I do not do that because after so many videos, you run out of storage and then you have to pay. Or you can upload to YouTube. I choose upload to YouTube. The longer your video is, the longer this is going to take. The shorter your video is, the quicker this process. You do have 15 minutes of free recording, and it will cut you off at 15 minutes if you do not pay for your Screencast subscription. So here you're going to make sure that your YouTube account is linked. This says Amby Watson. That is my YouTube channel. You're going to label it. If you want to add a description, if you want to add a tag, maybe this is for a specific unit. Change your privacy. For public, that means anybody can access it. For private, only you can access it. And for unlisted, only people with the link can access it. So then you hit publish, and it will be on your YouTube channel.